If this is your first time cooking on a yakiniku, also known as a table grill, don't panic. JBBQ has you covered with this short how-to video. First, check with your server to see if they have turned on the grill for you. If they have not, ask a friendly team member to do so. Make sure the exhaust fan has been pulled down so it is as close to the grill as possible. This will capture smoke and make the cooking process much easier. Once the grill has heated for a few minutes on a medium to medium-high setting, your server will brush the grill with oil. You or your server can use the temperature dial under the edge of your table to control the heat. Carefully lay down your vegetables and non-marinated meats first. Refer to your menu for optimal cooking times. Lightly check to ensure your food is not sticking to the grill plate. Then it is best not to touch the items on the grill until it is time to flip. Remember to cook both sides of your food. Always save marinated meats for last, as they will form a crust on your grill plate once cooked. If your grill plate surface turns brown or black, turn off the heat on the grill and flag down your server or manager. We will be happy to replace your grill plate with a fresh one and get you back to cooking. Don't forget to reset your temperature and exhaust fan, and oil the grill plate before cooking a new round of food. At any point, if you have any questions or are not sure what to do, call a team member over and we will be delighted to assist you. Enjoy!